Hello students, how are you? So in the last video I have told you to do the exercise 2.1, right? So I hope we have done all the questions. So today our next topic will be using the operation of OFF. Okay, so here you can see OFF operation is given. So in this exercise we have discussed about plus, minus, multiplication and divide. Four operations we have discussed. Now we'll discuss about the OFF operation. What is the meaning of OFF? So see, you can see here, we need to find the value of OFF. That means 1 by 2 of 16 or 3 of 5. So what is the meaning of this OFF? This means we need to find the value of 1 by 2 into 16 and 3 into 5. That means OFF means multiplication. So OFF is nothing but it is called multiplication. Understood? So 1 by 2 of 16 means 1 by 2 into 16. That means in the place of you will write multiplication into sign. Okay. Then do the multiplication process. You know already about this. Then 3 of 5. That means 3 into 5. So it is 15. Okay. So of is nothing but it is what? Multiplication operation. When the operation of appears in any mathematical expression, then it must be performed before any other operation. That means among all these operations, that means plus, minus, multiplication, division and off. So there are 5 operations. Among these 5 operations, you have to perform the off operation first. Okay, so this is written here. Okay, to solve this kind of expression, we use the ODMS, odd mass rule, in which O stands for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. Okay, so this is called odd mass rule. That means off operation will come first, then division operation second, third will be multiplication operation, then A will be addition operation and S will be the subtraction operation. So about this 4 rule you already know. Okay, the new thing here you got what? Off operation. So first of all off will be done, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Understood? Now see the example. 64 divide 2 of 8 plus 5 into 7. So here how many operations are there? 4 operations. Okay, this one divide, this is off, this plus, this is multiplication. So which operation will perform first? To solve this, we first solve the operation off. So we will do the operation of off. That means in the place of off we will write into multiplication. So write this 2 of 8. 2 of 8 means 16. 2 8 is 16. Understood? Now we'll do after that, who has the more power? Division is the more power. That means 64 divided by 16 will do. So 64 divided by 16 is 4. After that, here plus and into is there. What we'll do first? We'll multiply the numbers first. 5 into 7. Okay, 5 into 7 is what? 35. Right? In the next page, then at last plus 4 plus 35 equal to 39. Understood? Okay students, I hope you have understood. So the main thing you should understand that always start with off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction, in this way. So this is one example again given, so you can see by yourself. Okay, now I will start the exercise to 2.2. Okay, let's see the first question. 12 divided by 3 plus 5 into 8 minus 9. So here there is no off. So first of all we'll start with what? First operation will be of division, right? So let's start. Okay, see here all of you. 12 divided by 3. So 12 divided by 3 is what? 4, right? Then let everything plus 5 into 8 minus 9. Okay, now what will perform? We'll perform the multiplication. 5 into 8. So right here 4 plus 5 8 is 40. 40 minus 9. Now what will do? Plus 4 plus 40 is what? 44 minus 9. Then 44 minus 9 will be what? 35. So this is the answer. So this type of question you already got in exercise 2.1. Okay, so let's see the questions about the off. So 2 number has no off here, so you do this question in your homework. 3 number question, here also no off. 4 number, here also no off, but in 5 number there is off. So let's do the 5 number question. So students, here you can see there is a off, okay, in this question. So how can you solve this? There how many operations are given? Multiplication, off, division, plus and minus, all the 5 operations are given. So first of all we'll perform the off operation. So off operation means the multiplication. So we'll multiply what? 16 into, so we'll multiply 3 of 4, that means 3 into 4. So 3 into 4 is what? 3 4 is 12. So here write 12. Understood now? Now write all the remaining things. 18 minus 9. Okay. Now what we do? After off we do the division operation. Okay. So 12 divided by 24. So here in this question, 12 divided by 24, that means 12 divided by 24. So it cannot be divided normally. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll reciprocal this number, that means divide is there, so sign will be changed. 16 into 12. So here divide sign will become multiplication and it will become 1 by 24. Okay. Plus 18 minus 9. Now we can do the multiplication or do the cutting process. So here 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, right? So here write 16 into, so 1 into 1, 1 by 2, here 2 is there, plus 18 minus 9. Okay. Now multiplication will do 16 into 1 divided by 2, that means we can cut this. 2 8 ja 16, so 8 1 ja 8 here, plus 18 minus 9. Okay. Now what we do, we'll do the addition. 8 plus 18 will be what? 26 minus 9. So 26 minus 9 will be what? 17. So this is the answer of this question. So this is a very important question, because see here you have to do this operation. That means this is smaller number, this is bigger number. So when there is smaller number and bigger number, we cannot divide it. So you have to change the sign and reciprocal this. Okay, always. So you have, then it is cut by 2. Okay, then it is cut by 8. 2 8 is 16. Then 8 plus 18, 26. 26 minus 9, 17. Okay, understood? Now let's do question number 6. Okay students, here you can see again there is multiplication, division, off and plus. So first of all, what operation we'll do? We'll do the operation of off. That means 3 by 7 of 28. So right here 16 into 24 divide 3 by 7 off means what? Multiplication. 28 plus 15. Okay. So do not do this multiplication now. 16 into 24. No. Because we have to solve the off operation first of all. So this is the off operation. 3 by 7 into 28 is, in place of off we can write into. So now say, can you cut this? Yes. 7 4 is 28. Okay, right? You can cut like this. Now 3 into 4 is 12. Right here 12 plus 15. Now what we do? Into, divide and plus. So we'll do the divide operation. So 16 into 24 divided by 12. So 24 divided by 12 is what? 2. Okay, plus 15. So here you can see 24 divided by 12 is 2. We got this. But here in this question we cannot, because it is ulta. That means it is opposite. 12 divided by 24. So we have to do like this. We have to do give the multiplication sign and reciprocal this number 24. Okay. But here greater number is okay in here and smaller number is here. So we can directly divide it. 24 divided by 12 is 2. Now multiplication and plus. So what we do first? We will do the multiplication. 16 to the 32 plus 15. Okay. Now it is 47. So this is the answer of this question. So students, you can see here I have done the question of off here and here. So again here the question of off is given in the question number 7. Okay, so you try this in your home, and rest of the questions are same questions of exercise 2.1. So I hope you can do it by yourself. Understood? So thank you.